India is quickly becoming an important hub for global sports. This is also creating a sports economy in the country. Mizoram has a wonderful tradition of sports, producing many champions in football and all other sports. Our sports policies are benefiting Mizoram as well. Under the Khelo India scheme, we are supporting the creation of modern sports infrastructure. Recently, our government has also come out with a national sports policy, Khelo India Khel Niti. This will open new doors of opportunities for the youth of Mizoram. Friends, whether in our country or abroad, it gives me great happiness to play the role of an ambassador of the beautiful culture of the Northeast. Encouraging platforms that showcase the potential of the Northeast is important. A few months ago, I had the opportunity to participate in the Ashtalakshmi festival in Delhi. It showcased the textiles, crafts, GI tag products, and tourism potential of the Northeast. At the Rising Northeast Summit, I encourage investors to tap into the potential of the Northeast. The summit is opening up the path for massive investment and projects. When I talk about being vocal for local, it greatly benefits the artisans and farmers of the Northeast too. Mizoram's bamboo products, organic ginger, turmeric, and bananas are well known. Friends, we are constantly taking steps to boost ease of living and ease of doing business. Recently, next generation GST reforms have been announced. This means lower taxes on many products, making life easier for families. Before 2014, even daily essential like toothpaste, soap, and oil were taxed at 27%. Today, only 5% GST is applicable. During Congress rule, medicines, test kits, and insurance policies were heavily taxed. That is why healthcare was expensive and insurance was out of reach for ordinary families. But today, all these have become affordable. The new GST rates will also make medicines for serious diseases like cancer more inexpensive. After September 22nd, cement and construction materials will also become cheaper. Many companies that manufacture scooters and cars have already reduced prices. I am sure that the festive season this time will be even more vibrant across the nation. Friends, as part of the reforms, GST on most hotels had been reduced to only 5%. Traveling to various places, staying in hotels, and eating out will become cheaper. This will help more people travel, explore, and enjoy different parts of our country. Tourist hubs like the Northeast will particularly benefit from it. Friends, our economy has seen a growth of 7.8% in the first quarter of 25-26. It means India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. We are also seeing the growth of Make in India